students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation by step deviation method, and statement is given. Calculate coefficient of correlation between the price and quantity demanded. Price is given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 in rupees and demand is given. So for the calculation of this coefficient of correlation, let us prepare 9 equal columns. First column that is related to price, उसके बाद another 3 columns, then demand, then another 3 columns, last dx dash multiplied by dy dash. First of all, price that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. For dx, let us assume the value 15. We will assume 15 and calculate dx. 15 will be that will be deducted from all the values of x. Minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5 or 10. Then dx dash. For the calculation of dx dash, dx will be divided by c. C means common equal class interval. It means all the values of x are divided by 5. So common equal class interval है 5. So dx will be divided by 5. So minus 10 divided by 5, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 or 2. Then for the calculation of dx dash square, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. By sum up the values of sigma dx dash, that would be minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 or plus 3. Value आएंगी 0. Then sigma dx dash square, that is 10. And total values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to 5. Similarly, for the calculation of dy, let us assume a central value which is 30. 30 will be deducted from all the values of y. 40 minus 30, 10, 5, 0, minus 5, minus 10. Then for the calculation of dy dash means dy will be divided by c. C means common equal class interval. Here we have assumed 30 or common equal class interval. All the values are divisible by 5. So dy divided by 5, it means 10 divided by 5, that is 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Again dy dash, that would be equivalent to 0. For dy dash square, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. That will be 10. Sigma dy dash square will be 10. Next, last column, dx dash बीच में डॉट है, multiplied by dy dash, dx dash or dy dash. So by multiplying all these two values, we will get minus 4, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 4. So that would be equivalent to minus 10. Now I have written formula for the calculation of Carl Pearson's coefficient of correlation by step deviation method. Small r is equal to, coefficient of correlation is equal to sigma dx dash multiplied by sigma dy dash minus sigma dx dash multiplied by sigma dy dash divided by n, whole divided by sigma dx dash square minus sigma dx dash divided by n. ये इसका स्क्वायर है, n का स्क्वायर नहीं लेना, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सिग्मा dy डैश स्क्वायर माइनस सिग्मा dy डैश होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय n. So now let us put the values. Sigma dx dash multiplied by dy dash, that is minus 10, is equal to minus 10 minus sigma dy dash, ये 0 है, और मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सिग्मा dy, ये भी 0 है. So 0 divided by 5 whole divided by sigma dx dash square, that is 10 minus 0 multiplied by 5 under root multiplied by 10 minus 0 divided by 5 under root is equal to minus 10, तो ये सारा ही 0 हो जाएगा, minus 10 divided by under root 10 multiplied by under root 10 is equal to minus 10 divided by 10. ये 10 अंडर रूट भी हो गया, 10 का स्क्वायर अंडर रूट से कैंसिल हो गया, तो ये 10 minus 10 divided by 10 is equal to minus 1. So your answer will be, this is a situation of perfectly negative correlation. Answer है, this is a situation of perfectly negative correlation. So in this way you can calculate all the numericals regarding Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Another method for the calculation of Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, that is by shortcut method. In shortcut method you are not supposed to calculate d dash, dx dash. Dash means just dx values are sufficient till dx or dy. Dash is not required in those numericals and you can calculate easily all the numericals